Right, part two, your autoresponder and web form on that video squeeze page. So I'm in Aweber. You could be in, of course, GetResponse or whatever other autoresponder service you have. What we're going to do now is quickly create a new list. So we have to click on create a new list. And so list name, let's call this something like Easy Squeeze Nic. You could perhaps put Easy Squeeze your name. Oh no, that's because I had one of those and deleted it. Okay, Easy Squeeze Nic 2. That'll do. And then you just describe it. Easy video squeeze page. Your name, email, save settings. Okay, now we're on to personalize. Okay, you could put in your company. You don't really need to put those things in for a squeeze page, to be honest. Just save settings, can move on to the next bit. Here you do the confirmed opt-in. I'm sure most of you are familiar with this. Edit subject, confirm your subscription. That's pretty much okay. You might want to just change this because he wants to get a message saying request for information from the Easy Squeeze Nic 2 group is not too cool. So we just quickly erase that and put your name in there. So Nic Penrake, for example. Okay, and that's usually enough for that little bit. And you might just want to put down here something like speak soon, Nic, or whatever your name is. If you're going to go for double opt-in, you leave that on. If you're going to go for single opt-in, you click like that, and Aweber are against it. But to be honest, there's arguments for and against, and even I can't decide sometimes which to go for. But let's leave it on for now. That's fine. Save settings. I really want to get onto your web form. So create a new web form. And it's 3 processes. You probably already know that. So design. So for design, because we've got a lot of red on that page, I think it makes sense to go for one of the red templates that they have. And you don't want to red arrow down because you already got one of those. Now you can get rid of it, but let's make use of this one here. So there it is. You saw that on the template anyway, but we have to load this up. I want to show you how to load this up with your code in case you don't know how to do that. So edit header, you don't need that. So oops, remove. Yep, there we go. Name, you don't need the name field. So let's just get rid of that. Get rid of the name field like that. Keep that. Respect your email privacy, that's okay. Powered by, yep, get rid of that. And keep the arrow, because that works quite well with the arrow that we got coming down onto the email field. So that's it, we're done. Save web form. Settings, we don't need to think about settings at this stage. Publish. So I will install my form. I recommend you going with raw HTML. Some people will say go with the JavaScript down here. And the advantage of the JavaScript is that if you ever change the design of your web form at a later date, because you've got JavaScript, it's automatically updated on your web page itself. But so I'm told, every now and then Aweber kind of do a bit of maintenance on their site, and that means that if your squeeze page is out there while they're doing the maintenance, you may not get any opt-ins using the JavaScript. However, if you use the raw HTML, even when they're doing maintenance, your opt-in form will work. And why is that important? Well, you might be using paid advertising to get your squeeze page out there, solo ad, for example, or a PPC. And of course, if you're paying for your advertising, you want to be sure that you're always getting the opt-ins, otherwise you're wasting money. So now we just go back to the squeeze page itself, the editor. Here's our page, and here's our autoresponder. We have to go into the source again, so click on source. It's taking a moment to come up. Don't know why that is. Let's try that again. Oh, right. Let's just pull up. That's why. And because we didn't pull that across, sometimes happens. Okay, right. Now let's scroll down. You can see the Aweber form just there. Okay, so you want to go from form method. Leave that break. That's a line break here, and a paragraph. You don't want to erase those. Okay, so you just scroll all the way down till you see script, and you put your finger on the shift and then click there. Let's get all of it, and it's Control or Apple V, and it's pasted in. Go back to normal, file, browse page, save, and there's your web form. I know you saw it already there in terms of the design, but I wanted to show you how you put it in and how you collect the code and where the code goes. So now you've got a working squeeze page effectively. We've got the video, we've got the headline, we've got the web form, we've got our bit of copy here and our headline. I would myself obviously design this further. I mean, you can, for example, a line break you would want to put in there. It's too close to the video, but just for the sake of showing you how this all works, you've got the idea. You can tweak this further in your own time. Okay, so we're ready now to upload your squeeze page to your server, your hosting, which I will do in video 3.